Good morning traders and welcome to WMoption's London Session Daily Market Review for Monday, July the 11th. In the North Americas, high US non-farm payrolls streamed gains towards US indexes Friday, setting them back to the same level as they were before the British referendum. The greenback stayed flat through the weekend, and the Fed hike probability was upgraded according to the CME Group's Fed Watch tool. The US market also saw an increase in consumer credit and a rising oil rig count late Friday. In Canada, the dollar lowered during the weekend, easing around 0.76 to the US dollar as employment weakened in June amid sluggish growth and a trade balance deficit. In Europe, the British pound corrected upward after setting a new 31-year low below the 1.3 pounds to the dollar mark. British stocks closed higher Friday, regaining 2%. The Euro Stoxx 50 also gained about 2% over Friday as consumer shares were higher over positive US non-farm payrolls. The euro stayed balanced around zero change. Moving on to Asian markets. In Australia, the Liberal Party won the elections, leaving Aussie dollar gains as Liberals expect some clashes with Labour over economic policy. Shares are looking negative with a flat ASX reading Friday. Home loans were higher along with investment lending. Chinese producer prices are declining, and in Japan the Nikkei advanced some 2.5% overnight and the yen lost almost 0.5%. And in commodities highlights, oil is volatile around the $45 mark after seeing a slow week with more rigs and Saudi remarks suggesting prices should settle around their 45 mark. Gold is still rising on risk aversion and uncertainty. Other commodities were all green across the board through the weekend, excluding cocoa, sugar and rough rice. And here are today's important economic events. A Eurogroup meeting is expected today to discuss the financials of a post-Brexit period. At 12:15 GMT, Canadian housing starts will be out, and the US labour market conditions index at 2 p.m. GMT. Finally, the British BRC sales monitor will be in at 11 p.m. GMT. That was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.